can get here early in the morning when people have just driven through and dropped stuff off. You can find some pretty good deals. That's cool, that old Pepsi shelf. That's awesome. Yeah, there you go. Vintage Super Soaker. That doesn't leak. Probably a good find. Some of these will go for pretty good money. The older Super Soakers. That is cool. Check that out. Batmobile. Oh, it's electric. If that was a flippin' pedal car, I would jump on that in a heartbeat. It's missing this back wing though, and it's electric. It's cool though. Really cool. It's a nice two-way rack for $10. Oh, check this out. That is awesome. I need to look these up, see if they have any value to them. I doubt it, but they're pretty flippin' cool. Old school helmets. Those are cool. Another Texas one. That one's got the metal face mask and not the plastic. Pretty cool. If you guys are ever digging through old sports gear like this, if you ever find the original old Nerf orange football or Nerf orange basketball, and even that little 3-point boomerang. This isn't a Nerf one, but if you find the old orange ones, man, those things are valuable. That's not a Nerf, that's a poof ball, but still an old one. This Dyson home kit's only $5, but it doesn't really look like it's selling for much, even brand new. I can't tell if these are actually Dyson branded or not, or they're just generic brands that fit Dyson, but it doesn't really look like there's much money in there. This is a newer Breyer horse stable, not much value at all. Some of the older ones are worth anywhere from $20 to $60, but this is a newer model, and you can see by the top it's broken. That's sort of what's plaguing a lot of these newer Breyer toys, is they're just not made as well. So if you find the older models of these, they're decent, but most of the newer stuff is not worth picking up. This is cool. I think these are worth anything. $8 though, man. This place is just too overpriced. Always has been. $15. Wait, I don't know why I'm shaking. Yeah, 1991. What the heck? 25 for that one. That looks the same. Vintage West Bend 54 or 53.43. That's what it said on the bottom. So $25, but at $8, it's not really worth it. This looks like Ray Dunn, which it is. Ray Dunn granola, but freaking again $8. $18.99. Oh, that's at auction. $24.99. Brand new though. It's ridiculous. $25 brand new. And this is definitely not brand new. At $8 isn't worth it.
Okay, it's $5.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're
Go.
all right, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Well, that wasn't the best stop in the world, but got a few things. I think, believe it or not, this Super Soaker is probably going to be the thing that's worth more than the other stuff. Maybe, I don't know. This probably might not be old enough. There's an older one similar to this. It's a little bigger. I think I sold last year for like $100, but now that summer's kind of phasing out, they might not be selling as well, but we'll see. Then I got these Hoka Cliftons and this cool little Black & Decker. It said $25 on there, but then they said it was $5, so I'm cool with that. On the football helmets, I have to go back and pick those up. They had to reprice them. Then they're going to hold them for me. I have to go pick them back up later. So, not too bad. $19. 1997 XP70. $19. $11.80 shipping. For pretty good. It's the same thing, right? Yeah. That was auction, $22 free shipping. Pretty good. Alright, on to Goodwill. This is a vintage anchor hocking. It's called a Vidrock. Let's see if those are.
Is that what it was?
Looks like Fiesta wear, but don't see a marking. That's gotta be Fiesta wear. Right? Oh. So, see, some of these Fiesta wears aren't marked at all. But it's the amount of rings, I think, that make the difference. So see, yeah, that's got, there's only 2 rings on here, and this is like freaking 10. It's hard to tell, I don't know. Let's see, 49. 42. Ooh, thank you.